Happy Sunday. The improvising bassist, I guess, as I'm considered. I actually want to demonstrate the Phat Bird after its beautiful renovations and drastic improvements, as well as a surprise preamp setup and a couple of different effects I had added to my pedal board. So I got a click track going. We know what that means. About a little bit of a loop. Okay, kill the click. So let me tell you what's going on here. You see it as a single volume, right? Watch. Down position. It kind of gives me that buzzy, the B sound, as Frank Zappa had called it. Like a diode that was put into one of Jack Bruce's Gibson EB3s. But anyway, the real clincher here is when you pull the control up, as I have a series of different capacitors, and I started linking them and looping them together and messing around, and then I was able to get the. So this kind of gives me my EB3 sound on number 3. So anyway, that's the story with this bass. So it's simple, it's so there you have it, Phat Bird.